Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a little test against my two Stratocasters. I have this cheapest chips $100 off Facebook a couple of weeks ago. It's a Barracuda and it's very inexpensive. We just set it up as best we could. It was very badly set up beforehand. Doesn't matter. Anyway, we go about it. We're going to test out the shielding on my 1987 Squire E-Series made Japan Stratocaster that I bought way back in 87. We shielded it maybe about 3-4 weeks ago, possibly longer now, but doesn't matter. But we're just going to test the two against each other and see just what shielding the inner cavities of your Stratocaster or your guitar in general is going to do for you. So that's where we're going to go. First off, I'm going to plug in this Barracuda Stratocaster. We're going to put it on the neck only pickup and not touch anything. Turn on the amp, put some volume to it, but not all we're going to do is just touch the strings and let go. So here we go. And so there you have the difference. You could very easily tell the difference from touching the strings and not touching the strings. This is the 87 Squire made in Japan E-Series Stratocaster. It's a fairly nice one, but it's also been shielded. So is it worthwhile to shield yours? I believe so. Just so you know, both of them were gone through each of the different pickup settings. Each of them, this one was actually wide open on the volume, and the tones were both put about the halfway mark, just so that they were equal between the two of them. I'll do it one more time through. We'll do this one first and then go to the other one, and then we'll decide, should we shield $100 guitar and see what the difference is on it? You tell me. So there you have the difference. You could obviously hear that plain as day. This here $100 one was making one heck of a lot of noise. Now, probably in the next video, I think we should probably shield it. Now it's going to be a little tricky because I've had the pick guard off of this, and in behind here in the cavities, it is not flat at the back. There are some major holes in there. How we are going to go about that, I don't know. Whether we fill them with something or try to just tape over the holes. Guess we'll have to find out then. Either way, yes, if you have the chance to shield the cavities of your guitar, by all means do it. Now, as I say, this one, it was $100 off Facebook. I don't know how much it was originally. It's a Barracuda, so it's very light. It had very bad action. I'm still having trouble keeping it in tune. I'm wondering if maybe it's time to replace the tuners on it or whether it's down in the bridge. Gonna have to do a little research and figure out that, because we did remove the back plate and wedged the tremola solid because, well, I don't use the tremola because for a tremola, it's neat that you get the woo woo woo, but it really messes with the tuning. You know, you do that a few times and you're going to go out of tune. So, and I never really used it that much anyways. So the saga continues, the Barracuda rebuild. Where do we go from here? I'm thinking it's shielding time. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe. Check out the other videos on my channel. There might be something there that you're interested in. Leave a comment below. Tell me what I did right, what I did wrong. I know I do a lot of things wrong, but we'll catch you next time. Bye now.